On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's sweet, spicy, and a little nutty. Green papaya salad. This here is a green papaya. Now it's actually the same thing as the regular papaya that we're more used to seeing at the big box supermarkets, but this is kind of like the unripe version of that. And you'll be able to find these at your Asian grocery store. Peel down 1 medium green papaya. On a side note, when I used to run that nut milk or coconut milk business, I was cracking coconuts almost every single day, and there were times where I actually accidentally sliced my hand pretty bad a few times, and it's definitely not something to take lightly. So sometimes I will actually use this non-cut glove, which is made with this thick material that will help just kind of protect your hand a little bit more. So definitely better safe than sorry. Carefully and continuously chop the papaya, making lots of incisions. Carefully slice down the papaya, making rustic-looking shreds. If it makes sense, I would recommend doing more of a slicing motion rather than just a straight up chopping one. Carefully roll around the papaya, chopping continuously. You'll know when to stop when the seeds start to peek through the center of the papaya. About 25 grams Thai basil leaves. About 25 grams fresh mint leaves. Small piece of ginger, thinly sliced into matchsticks. Thinly slice 1 apple into thin matchsticks. Two cups of cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced. Two pieces of garlic, finely chopped.
Place the garlic into a bowl.
2 green chilies and 1 red chili. Of course, you can remove the seeds to make it less spicy, but I'm gonna make this salad a little bit on the spicier side.
Finely chop the chili peppers. Juice of 1 lime. A 1/3 cup rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons maple syrup. 2.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix to combine. Pour the dressing onto the salad. Mix. Plate generously.
The hardest part of this recipe really is not eating it right away because there's one last step.
Frying pan, medium heat, 1 cup peanuts. Toast the peanuts for 4 to 5 minutes. Roughly crush the peanuts in a pestle and mortar. Sprinkle the toasted peanuts onto the salad.
This salad is definitely not for the faint of heart.
You can now enjoy this crunchy and delicious salad with absolute confidence.
This is Wakame Seaweed. It's absolutely delicious. This looks really deceiving, but about 15 grams is good enough for about 2 portions. Once you rehydrate this, it really expands.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the seaweed. Peel and thinly slice some daikon radish. You only need a small piece for each portion, but you can always prep more and make more. Small piece carrot, thinly sliced.
Right, so using cherry tomatoes would be a little bit more traditional for this recipe, but I absolutely love heirloom tomatoes, and I've been saving this for a special occasion like when we cook together.
Half a tomato, diced. Turn off the heat and let the wakame seaweed soak for about 5 to 8 minutes. One and a half tablespoons cane sugar. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, shake well to combine. Pour out the soaking liquid and use as a light stock in other recipes. Rinse and drain the seaweed in cold water.
Just look at that. That was 15 grams. Crazy.
Roughly chop the seaweed and place in a large mixing bowl. Half cup edamame, half cup corn, tomato.
This is some amazing, amazing baby arugula. If you can't find this, of course you can sub this out with any sort of greens or sprouts.
About 1 packed cup of baby arugula. Pour in half the dressing. Mix. Plate. Daikon. Carrot. Sprinkle over some more sesame seeds. Finish with a drizzle more dressing. You can now make this incredible seaweed salad with absolute confidence.
Chop down about 175 grams of black kale. Place the kale into a large mixing bowl. About 125 grams of purple cabbage, thinly chopped. I love chopping things super wafer thin because that really did not look like very much cabbage, but it yields so much more. About 225 grams of Brussels sprouts, thinly chopped. You know, when you're chopping things this thin, it's really about safety over speed. So definitely always remember your 3 fingers to the back of that blade, and this way you're always guiding that knife, opposed to chopping this way where it can get pretty dangerous. Chop 1 Fuji apple into thin matchsticks.
About 150 grams of cherry tomatoes, roughly chopped. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Half cup raisins. Quarter cup hemp hearts. 1 cup cashews. 1/3 cup lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Pepper. Drizzle of olive oil. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 cup water. Blend on high until liquefied. Pour in half the dressing. Remember, you can always add more, but you cannot take away. Toss. Plate. Add some more fresh cracked pepper and serve. You can now make this delicious crunchy salad with absolute confidence.
This, for me, is definitely a newbie recipe that can impress a professional chef. And if you love delicious and easy recipes like this, of course, check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, take a sneak peek, or order your signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.